Welcome. This is an introduction into the Harvester Trinity layout and trading plan. I changed the layout because the Divine told me that it's time to resurrect the duplex, triplex, or Trinity, the three lines, because since we're a lot trader, it's easier to understand, and it's also pretty much consistently profitable. Now let me introduce you to the lines. The Trinity lines are the following three lines. The solid pink and red is the prime. The dashed pink and red is the combo A, or the alpha. The dotted pink and red is the alpha in. The designation of in it's a special designation, meaning that alpha is created by the prime plus the jerk at the current price bar. When we say alpha in, we're taking prime plus jerk 5 bars back from the current price bar. So this is the alpha in. Now, the interaction of the alpha in with the other lines is what's significant. As you can see here, alpha in is pretty much separated from alpha and prime. When that happens, it's going to be a continuation. So don't bother taking a position or entering for the short. Don't bother entering for the short because it's not going to be fruitful. When the A inline, the alpha inline, is together with the other lines, yeah, go ahead and take and enter a position. Go ahead and enter a position. Now, these green horizontal lines here are the upper mids and the lower mids. The Trinity trading plan is fairly simple. Number one, wait. What are we waiting for? We're waiting for the prime to poke its head or to touch and go back down or go back into the mids. So right here, yes, we could have waited for that, but we wouldn't have taken a position because of the separation between alpha in and the other lines. Yes, here we would have taken a position. We would have waited for the prime to stick its head outside the mids and go back in, and everybody is the same color. Yeah, we would have gone in for that long. So, Trinity trading plan, wait for the prime to stick its head outside of the mids. And when everybody's the same color and the alpha in is with the others, enter. So that's the second step. Enter when the alpha in is with the others as prime stuck its head outside the mids. Number three, exit. Exit when all the lines, the Trinity lines, are of the same color. Exit when all the Trinity lines are of the same color. And this one is not worth taking for the downtrend because the prime did not stick its head outside the upper mids or even bounce off the upper mids. So this is not really worth taking. And we stay away from this section because of the jerk going sideways in the danger zone. Now, here, this is worth taking because the prime stuck its head outside the mids and everybody's the same color and alpha in is with the alpha. So yeah, go ahead, take that for a long. And once everybody changes the same color, opposite color, get out and take it for a short. Why would you take this for the short? Because prime stuck its head outside the upper mids and alpha in is relatively with the others, and we would stay in this short until either everybody is of the same color, or as you noticed, that the jerk has finally gone through the zero. Yes, it's going flat, but the prime down here in region 2 is relatively outside the lower mids and is not going to be heading back into the lower mids. So yeah, we just stay in until the alpha in goes back in again to cross above the zero. Or, as we see here, prime stuck its head outside the lower mids. Everybody is of the same color. Yeah, go ahead and exit right there. We would exit that short. So that's the Trinity trading plan with the Trinity layout. Once again, the Trinity lines are the prime, the alpha, and the alpha in. And the important feature of the Trinity layout is it's not worth taking a position if the alpha in is separated from the others. It's not worth taking a position when the alpha in is separated from the others. Just remember that. Not worth taking a position when the alpha in is separated from the others, or the prime did not touch or go in, back in to the lower, into the mids. So there are two features we wait for. Number one, we wait for the prime to go stick its head outside the mids, and number two, we also wait for the alpha in to be with the others. And if you don't have those two conditions, alpha in with the others, as the prime stuck its head outside the mids, it's not worth taking. Exit condition, everybody either had the same color opposite to when you entered, or the alpha in crosses back through the zero in the opposite direction. It's that simple, folks. The Trinity, the Harvester Trinity layout and trading plan. 7 minutes.